Okay, this is a quick video to demonstrate the benefits of the full exhaust system that I created for the generator. This muffler, it comes with your generator purchase. And this is the full exhaust system here that runs all the way to the back. It has an additional muffler on the end that adds an additional silencing property. It also contains the spark arrestor, which is in this little coupler here. And this is fully replaceable. You just screw it off and screw it back on. I made it replaceable because I didn't know how long it would last, but it's just a small Briggs & Stratton muffler. Like I said, it adds an additional sound dampening capability, as well as providing an easy way to install and remove your spark arrestor, which will need to be cleaned every so often. I think about every 50 or 100 hours. So I would just clean it every time you change the oil. Okay, so if you do not opt for the full exhaust, which is an additional cost, then your muffler would be cut off right here, and you would just use your existing exhaust pipe to attach to there and run out to the end of the RV. So I'm gonna crank it up. Let me take this off first. I want you to hear it without the muffler, and then the additional muffler, and then I'm gonna let you hear it with the muffler. I'm gonna add the muffler to it. So here's your spark arrestor right here, okay, and that is held in by the coupler here. So let me crank it up and we'll do the demonstration. Okay, here it is running, and I wanted it to be under load, so I have the air conditioner on. The sound difference is most noticeable under load. So this is the sound of the generator without the additional muffler. Okay, now I'm going to stick the additional muffler on and show you the difference. Okay, I haven't even screwed it on. It gets hot pretty quick. So that's with it off. That's with it on, without it being screwed on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and screw it on what you're here to do. It's not under load now. The air conditioner just kicked off. I'm gonna go ahead and screw it on this time. Hopefully you can tell the difference. Much quieter with that little muffler on it. And it makes it easier, like I say, to put the spark arrestor